The Miniarts Sturmgeschutz O series build is complete. It's all done now. It's a really, really nice kit. It's one of my favourite kits, these early Panzer III series by Miniarts. They do a really good job. Fantastic suspension. Wonderful details. Really easy instructions. Not an issue in the world. If you've got the time, you'll get the best tank ever. And there is a heap of spare parts left over. So I'll have a heap of spares left for fixing up my other one. It's really good. Not a problem. So that's Miniarts Sturmgeschutz O series. Really nice. And there's a whole heap of spare parts. So they've got all the turret accessories. They put that in, and you only use like 1 or 2 parts out of it. Heaps of spare tools. You get a lot of spare like parts just on these little sprues, so heaps of lights and hooks and all kinds of things. So that's the other mantlet you get. You see there's one with the holes, and but the actual original one had no holes. So I went with that one. You got spare jack. Spare heaps of those return rollers. You got spare lights. All these, see, spare doors. An extra muffler. You get the fenders and the rear plates. More spare parts there, the front. Yeah, so they're built up already, these ones. Didn't know they had those. That would have been handy. Yeah, they look heaps better than the ones I put on. The ones I put on were made up of just 2 halves. You had to glue them together. Why didn't they say to use these ones? And you got spare track, so you know you get 2 spare tracks, 12 each, so 24 spare tracks. You get the light covers spare. And just, yeah, a whole heap of cool little extras to go into the spares box. All very handy. So that's very handy, and we'll choose. I've already chosen the paint scheme, so it's pretty much, they're all the same. There's the A, which has just got a A on the front. That's it for decals. There's the B, is probably the most, because you put on a cross. And there you've got the red B with the red little symbol. And then there's the C, which has got no cross. And it's just got its yellow C and its yellow thing. 3 options. And I'm going with number A. The first one with no holes, and it's got the different jack. So you get that jack in it on this one, where the other 2 have got a special Stug jack. I don't know why they changed the Stug jack, but it's got more bolts and stuff on it. The picture looks like it's the same. Yeah, picture's the same. But yeah, you don't use that jack, you use the original jack on this one. Well, that's what they say to do. So, get into that. Do they have a... Yeah, they're all pretty much the same, eh? They all look like different. You know, you see the soot there is different. Weird. Alright, I'll get into getting it primed, I suppose. Just got to cover up this hole at the top. And then we can start priming it. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.